today during math groups, we did guessing jar. So if you were not able to join us for math groups, I'm so sorry you missed guessing jar. We guessed how many crayons were in the guessing jar today. We also talked about pattern blocks. There are 6 different kinds of pattern blocks that I want to talk to you about today. Pattern blocks might be something that you have at home. It might be a fun Christmas gift if you don't have it at home yet. I love pattern blocks. I love playing with them and exploring with them. You can do all kinds of things with them. So let's talk about them today. First, I want to share with you about the yellow pattern block. This is a hexagon. It has 6 sides and 6 corners. The next pattern block I want to talk to you about is the blue one. This one is a diamond shape. We also call it a rhombus. It has 4 corners and 4 sides. The next one is the red pattern block. This one is called the trapezoid. The trapezoid has 4 corners and 4 sides. It's red. The next one is the triangle. It's the green piece of the pattern blocks. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. And then we have the orange piece, which is a square, 4 equal sides, 4 corners. And then we have another piece, and it is also a diamond or a rhombus, but it's a little bit skinnier. And sometimes they are tan colored, kind of like a wood color, and sometimes they are white. So you might see it different ways like that, different colors. You can see that they are a rhombus, but they are skinny rhombus. So we call them skinny rhombus. All right, friends. Those are the pattern blocks. Now, especially if you do not have real pattern blocks at home, there is a fun app I want to show you on your iPad. So you have to go to the math folder that starts with M, math. Open it up, and then you'll see right here, that one is called Pattern Shapes. And if you click it, it opens to this screen. Now there's lots of different things that you can do on here. You can just touch and drag different shapes and build different things on here if you want to. Like I kind of made a tree. You can change the colors of your pattern blocks if you want to. Down here you can change the colors. These other tools can kind of change different things on them too, so you can have fun exploring with that. So you can just use this plain thing to cover, or you can, and when you're done, you can touch each piece, and if it's highlighted green, then you can push this trash can and that will delete it. Or you can click down here where you see this little picture of like a sailboat. And you can pick a design. There's all kinds of different designs here. Like this guy. You can pick him, and then you can use your pattern blocks to fill in and cover the pieces. So it's kind of tricky because you have to like figure it out. So like this one, I'm going to have to use this arrow to turn it so it fits. So if it's highlighted green and you see the little arrow there, you can turn it to fit. So like this one over here, I need to turn that one to fit. There we go. This one here, I need to turn it to fit. And if you don't see it highlighted green, just touch on it and it'll highlight green. This one, I need to turn it a little bit to fit. Now, I wonder if I can fit this one here. I wonder if I flip it all the way around, will it fit? I don't know. It's a little tricky, isn't it? I don't think that fits there. All right. I'm going to erase it then. Maybe this will fit here. Oop. Oh, turn it a little bit. Yeah, that fits there. So you can use your iPad to discover and cover these different patterns. It's great fine motor practice and visual spatial practice. All right. The next thing you can do is in your green folder you have this page called Before and After Math. You see these funny elf feet and elf hats, and there's missing numbers here that you need to help figure out. So look here, we have a 6 in the middle. So we need to figure out what comes before 6 and what comes after 6. If you have a number line, you can use it. There is actually a number line in your green math folder with a gingerbread on it. So if you want, you can use that number line, or you can just think about it in your head when you're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 5 is going to go here. So I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to write 5 in that box. Now I have to know what comes after 6. 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write a 7 here. So you're going to fill in the missing numbers before and after. So you can work on that. And then there's a fun seesaw activity too for you to do called Dog's Donuts.